the family of the Samsung Galaxy S10 were the first phones to include the Snapdragon 855 processor. But with this feature comes a price that cannot be ignored. The Galaxy S10E, which is the cheapest in the family, has an initial price of $750, which is still high when compared to mid-range phones such as the Motorola Moto G7. The Meizu launched its flagship phone called Meizu 16s, which costs about $475. The phone has first-class specifications such as the Snapdragon 855 processor, from 6GB to 8GB of RAM, on-screen fingerprint reader and dual rear camera capable of taking 48-megapixel photos. Although the interior specifications of the Meizu are first-class, its exterior does not have any of the features so fashionable in the phones of the moment: eyebrows, eye-shaped cameras and cameras that emerge from the top of the phone. For the 20-megapixel front camera, Meizu opted for a super small selfie camera made by Samsung that can fit within the confines of the device's bezel.